Hello, I am thrilled to invite you for our amazing Helichrysum Harvest event, which is very soon happening in Croatia, in our lovely place, Amadria Park. We are looking forward very much to see you there. Helichrysum essential oil is being distilled from the bright, golden, everlasting flowers. There will be an opportunity to speak with our farm manager, our experts, plenary guests, and Young Living Platinum members. Accommodation is not included in the price. Young Living is a family-focused company. Therefore, we welcome children to come to a variety of our events. However, please have in mind some presentations and activities may not be suitable for your children. Due to the operational nature of a working farm and distillery, we inform you that the parking is not available at the farm and distillery. However, you can use the parking in the hotel or outside the hotel. And for those who have accommodation in the Hotel Amadria Park, the cost of the parking per day is €10. And for those who do not have accommodation in Amadria Park is €40 per day, as well as outside parking. During Helichrysum event, you can expect a lot of nice activities, like farm tour and education on the farm and Heliflower, also education sessions given from our special speakers and guests, beautiful boat trip from Amadria Park, and as well you can enjoy Amadria Park in your free time, also surroundings which are very beautiful. And we are going to invite you as well for Young Living Distillery and Production area, so we look forward to see you there. Lunch is included at Amadria Park as a buffet option, and for more information please refer to our event guide. Dietary requirements are requested during process of registration when purchasing a ticket, and for further changes, please write an email for European events at youngliving.com. If you consider what you should bring to the Helichrysum Harvest, please note that all necessary informations are included in the event guide. However, don't forget about a pair of sunglasses, sun hat and sunscreen to protect your skin, to protect your eyes. Choose light neutral colored clothes to feel comfortable and protect from dust and insects as well. And don't forget about your phone, camera, power bank, memory cards to keep your moments there. There will be opportunity to purchase the products and to collect them in the hotel, and more information you will get via email. Presentations will be held in English. If you require translation, please note that we only can guarantee translation when at least 50 attendees are requested on it.